Now at 11, breaking news. One of our city's most popular parks, Prospect Park in Brooklyn, up in flames. Tonight, the dry conditions that just won't quit. And this is just the beginning of what is going to be a long night for firefighters. Good evening. I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine Johnson. A normally dark Prospect Park after sunset was glowing in orange tonight. Firefighters responded just after 6:30, and by that point, the fire had spread to 2 acres of the 585-acre green space. 120 firefighters got it under control, and many will remain on the scene overnight to monitor hotspots.
This is just the latest of several brush fires in our area, and we have team coverage for you tonight. Lonnie Quinn with more on the elevated fire risk and what's ahead for the weekend. Alecia Reid covering the latest on the conditions in New Jersey. But we begin with Bordonaro live at Prospect Park tonight. Lori.
And Maurice and Christine, while the fire here is now under control, there is a very heavy smell of smoke in the air here. And you can see there is a large presence here of firefighters. They're still monitoring this area, many with flashlights. They've been going through this park, checking for hot spots to make sure that this does not reignite. The FDNY says a person passing by saw flames just after 6:30 and called 911. The brush fire started in the area of Nethermead. It's a meadow in the heart of Prospect Park, very popular among dog walkers, picnickers, and bird watchers. The responding firefighters faced challenging conditions here, an inaccessible, dense area combined with winds, and they used drones to identify hotspots and specialized brush fire units to battle this fire. No one was injured and no structures were threatened, but residents say they were surprised and nervous to see flames spreading through the park.
It's scary. It's a little nerve-wracking. I was just hoping that the whole park didn't set fire, but it looks contained, so I'm happy. I love this park. I've been coming here 30 years, so yeah.
Ever seen anything like this?
No, this is the first fire I've ever seen in this park, actually.
We were extremely lucky by the passerby who saw something, but also did something. They notified the FDNY, and it was a quick response.
And again, New York City is under a red flag warning for fire risk because of the strong winds and the dry conditions. And Mayor Adams is urging people to be vigilant and to call 911 if they see a fire. We're live in Prospect Park. Lori Bordonaro, CBS News, New York.
Okay, Lori, thank you.
And also breaking here tonight, just in the last several minutes, we received this video of another brush fire in the High Bridge section of the Bronx near Sedgwick and University Avenues. It's right near the Major Deegan. Right now, it is not affecting traffic, and no word yet on how it started.
And it's not just the city by any means. New Jersey has been dealing with fires over the last several days, and today was no different.
Our coverage continues with climate and environment reporter Alecia Reid.
Firefighters tackle a brush fire in Cliffside Park Friday night, battling the flames next to windy and dry conditions.
These fires, definitely, it's scary.
Due to the drought and unseasonably warm temperatures, there have been several large wildfires in New Jersey that CBS News New York has covered the past couple weeks, including the fire near the Palisades Interstate Parkway and Englewood Cliffs that created smoky conditions for commuters.
I think we're definitely starting to see the effects of climate change.
And the Shotgun wildfire that spread to 350 acres in Jackson Township.
We need the water. It's very important.
Friday's air quality in New York City improved from moderate to good throughout the day, but experts say those with sensitivities could experience mild health effects.
The complicated issue here is wildfire smoke itself contains a whole bunch of different compounds. We don't always know what's burning.
After 6 wildfires on Staten Island over the last 2 weeks, Borough President Vito Fossella and FDNY officials plan to urge locals to take preemptive measures to protect their homes.
We work with the State Department of Environmental Conservation and to allow homeowners who live around an area that may be very sensitive or prone to brush fires to obtain a permit and cut back some of the Phragmites with the goal to protect their homes and the people who live in those homes.
The New Jersey Forest Fire Service says smoky conditions should be expected across the state, and because conditions are so dry, some fires have burned into the duff layer of the soil that could go upwards of 12 inches below ground. So although it may seem like the fire is out, it could reignite. In Englewood, New Jersey, Alecia Reid, CBS News, New York.
Let's get to Lonnie Quinn now.
And Lonnie, we're talking about historically dry conditions here, and the risk is not over yet by any means.
No, look, we have never been this dry in the fall season ever. Okay, we've never been this dry. It's been almost 40 days with 1/100th of an inch of rain. All right, that's it. Doesn't happen, right? Here's your picture outside as of right now. So I want to talk about the Prospect Park air quality. It's running at 63 right now, which is moderate because of the smoke from the fires. However, you got a pretty decent wind that's blowing out there. So yes, it's going to transport that smoke to other boroughs. However, it disperses it as well. So it's not as bad unless you're right around the source of these fires. Let's move forward, though, and talk about this. Red flag warnings and special weather statements in place again for tomorrow. You got to be careful with any sort of an open flame. Looks like we could see a little sprinkle out on the east end, but there is not rain in this forecast for your day tomorrow. In fact, Sunday will give us a chance. We'll talk about that. The air is just too dry out there. Dew points are low, and they're getting lower going into your day tomorrow. Guys, it's all yours.
Okay, Lonnie, thank you.